Looking for the best Hamilton Beach blender? In this video we look at some of the top 3 Hamilton Beach blender on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Hamilton Beach Sound Shield 5-Speed Blender. Pros: 950 watts and 5 speeds allow it to crush ice and other hard ingredients to perfect smoothness. Muffled chambers and removable sound shield keep noise down. Smoothie and ice crush functions activate with a button push. Jar and blades are dishwasher safe. Cons: the jar is made of glass and could break. Bottom line: a versatile, powerful blender that operates quietly thanks to its special construction. At number 2. Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Multifunction Blender. Pros: large 40-ounce glass pitcher makes it easy to see what you're blending. Long cord allows you to place it nearly anywhere on your counter. Durable design that's easy to clean and comes with a 3-year warranty. Cons: not the best option for crushing ice or other frozen ingredients. Bottom line: an affordable 700 watts blender with plenty of settings to blend a variety of ingredients. At number 1. Hamilton Beach Professional 1500 watts Quiet Shield Blender. Pros: a professional quality blender with a decent price tag. Blends quickly and produces smooth results. Super quick to clean and put away. Tough motor works well without any suspicious burning smells. Handles ice flawlessly. Cons: advertised as quiet but users reported it was still loud. Bottom line: a little pricier than the other models but with a more powerful 1500 watts motor. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.